Hi, my name is Amy McCord with Flower Moxie, and I want to talk to you about something that really stresses florists, wedding planners, and DIYers out, which is how do you pin the boutonniere? And there's a company that I really like called BoutStix. They invented these magnets that attach very, very easily to boutonnieres, and they even have a stem on them. That way it doesn't get wonky. Let me show you how to use it because it's very easy. Now, disclaimer, if someone has a pacemaker or a medical device, you cannot use a magnet. So they are really good about even putting a warning label on the back of their boot stick. Okay, so we have a really hardcore, large boutonniere. I would call this more of a corsage, and I've taped it together with stem tape. So what you're gonna do is unmagnet the magnets, and you're going to take the flat side and lay it against the stem tape. So you can just see how it lays flat. So then I'm going to take some stem tape, and that's how I'm going to attach the boot stick to the boutonniere. So you pull it per usual, stretch it, and that will release the glue. And that's where that little handy paddle comes in. You know, I mean, one can find magnets, but you really need the paddle. And that was what was brilliant about the BoutStix patented design, is the fact that you have something to adhere it to. So I'm taping the paddle and the entire magnet system to the back of this boutonniere with some stem tape. And there's even a little bit of room for me to go in between the two magnets. So it's secure, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so the magnet's gonna work great. And you might be asking, okay, but what about my finishing? We got you. So I've got some bind wire because we don't want to show a lot of tape. I wound this too far down. I was doing a tutorial for something else and it was necessary, but let me cut some of this off. That was my own doing. I like the stems to be shown at the bottom of my boutonnieres. This is a personal preference. Okay, so now I'm going to take my bind wire just like I would with a traditional boutonniere. Start it at the top, wind it a few times. And we're gonna work our way down. And I love that spacing in the magnet. That way I can, put my wire or my twine or my finishing and still have like a nice, easy, pretty finish. And especially as a florist, a lot of times you have to drop off the boutonnieres and then you get the pictures back and you're like, oh my gosh, there was nobody there that knew how to pin on a boutonniere properly, and they're all wonky, and it's not because you weren't doing the right thing as a florist. It's because, pinning on boutonnieres is really tricky for people who don't do it every single weekend. As a wedding planner, I got so used to it, I could do it in my sleep, but these magnets will make it so handy. And especially if you're doing a pin-on corsage and it's a heavier boutonniere like this one. This is why I made this really heavy, is because I thought, well, this will be a great example of how effective it is. So you can see the back, you can see the magnets. The front is still pretty. You don't see the magnets or the paddle. And then you come in, sorry, I'm right-handed. And we're gonna just put this on my shirt and see how secure it is and how it doesn't twist side to side. It's because there's two magnets in there. Highly effective. You can keep this in a hydration chamber. Just ask whoever you're pinning it on, do you have any implanted medical devices? Because the magnet will not be friendly with that. So it is as simple as that. This is the boot stick, and let me show you how to use the wrist stick, which is the same thing, but with a wristlet. So when it comes to the wrist sticks, I'm not going to do the full design. What I want to show you is the fact that it sits on a disc that's round, and you're given ultimately two boot sticks, and you will build them in the opposite direction. So basically you'll take two boutonnieres, and it will be attached to the boot stick. And this is what's cool, is that you can orient it the way that you want it to go on the wrist. So if we have it on the wrist and we want it to go side to side, like horizontal versus vertical, you can easily make that happen. And how you do it is you just change the orientation of the wrist sticks. So what I find is when I make a wrist sticks, you're going to essentially have them going end to end like this. Of course, this is a lot of flowers. I would probably want less. Now you will have to come in and glue a few. So I don't think that with the wrist sticks you can totally avoid gluing, but what I really love is the fact that I can change the orientation depending on the wrist size, depending on the floral size that I use, and you kind of come in there and add a few sprigs with glue, and that way you hide the mechanics. So this is wrist sticks and this is BoutStix. Love the brand, very, very functional. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and feel free to check them out online.